Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 17th of July. In this short video I'll be looking at the charts on the NIKKEI-225 index. What we'll see is that this index has consolidated sideways. It seems to have lost its mojo. It's losing upside momentum. It needs to get that momentum back for the picture to look good. I've still got one foot in the bullish camp, but we do need a quick move towards the upside for that to be confirmed and clarified. So here we have the daily picture. As usual, each candle represents 1 day's trade, and you can see that since the 1st of June we've basically gone sideways in a very narrow trading range. This has caused the upside momentum to be lost. I'll come on to that, but you can see it down at the bottom very easily with the RSI tracking downwards and the MACD rolling over. The moving averages are giving support. So at the moment we've just on today's trading we've just dipped below the 20-day moving average, but it's still moving upwards, and just to the downside we have the 50-day that gave support back on the dips on the 5th and 7th of July. That gave support, and it would give support again if we do get some downside. As I said, on the RSI we've had this picture of non-confirmations on all the rises over the last 6 weeks, and it's just in a drifting pattern. So warning signs coming from this RSI, but there doesn't seem to be much downside selling pressure. I think that's the key to the market at the moment. You can see that volumes are quite flat. The MACD also showing negative momentum. Moving on to the weekly picture, and here you can see the consolidation. Perhaps here it doesn't look quite as concerning as it does on the daily, because you can see that we broke through the resistance before we had the consolidation. We're also at a resistance level back from November 2015, so quite natural to have some consolidation here. Also the RSI not as negative here, still showing positive momentum 62.52, and the MACD are flat lining. On the 4-hour picture you can start to see the downtrend. Even though we're consolidating, we are getting this picture of lower highs and lower lows. We are at the support of the 200 4-hour moving average, and but the 20 is now rolled over, although the 50 is still moving upwards. The RSI here back below 50, attempting to rally towards the 50 again, still in its downtrend, and the MACD still giving a warning sign. On the support resistance levels for the Nikkei, there's resistance at 2202.9 and 2296.9, with support at the 50-day 19965.21, 19857.3. So that's been TA for Traders, very quickly looking at the charts on the Nikkei. As I said, I've still got a foot on the bullish side of this. I think we will get upside momentum again and push on through and break into new high ground. However, it is losing its upside momentum, which it needs to regain it very shortly, and the moving averages are giving support. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, do subscribe. You'll then get daily reminders of when I do other videos. I don't just cover indices, I cover commodities, FX and single stocks. Please remember, these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.